Good morning my loves and welcome back to another vlog. I am all ready and I'm heading down to the coast this morning for a photo shoot. I have my matcha all ready for the ride. It's going to take nearly 2 hours to get there, so I better get driving. I will check back in at the beach. Hopefully it's good weather today. I feel like this whole vlog is literally me in the car, but I am getting content today because I didn't get it the other day. I'm just in my other bikini and I'm so burnt already and it's like 1 o'clock. I'm gonna go to Pack Fair to pick up a few things, and then I also need to go to my friend's store and pick out a few things that I'm going to create some content for her, and that's kind of it, and then I'm gonna head home. Looks so good.
You're gonna do so many extraordinary things and I'm gonna be with you. Okay?
Of course.
Never let your light dull. I'm your fairy godmother. I'm so proud of you.
I'm proud of you. I just left and she gave me so much stuff. I literally had to put on one of her sets because they're just so cute, and I'm going to head over to Pack Fair now and do a bit more shopping. I feel like all I've been doing today is vlogging in the car and driving, but
Oh, whoops.
it's going to take me about an hour and a half to get home, and I don't even live an hour from where I am right now, so that's awesome. This is everything that I bought. I did a little bit of damage. This has been out at my local Woolies for like weeks. So I literally got the second last one. I should have gotten both, but I thought I'd be nice. Whoa. Shower, unpack groceries, and then I need to make dinner because I am starving. I'm so hungry. I am back home now, and other than getting this one, other than getting the chocolate coconut water, I also found these, and I've been seeing these everywhere as well, and they go really nicely with these energy supplements that I've been taking. These are my replacements for coffee, so I am so excited to try them together, but I need to put all my groceries away. I'm also trying this cottage I'm also trying this high protein cottage cheese. Apparently it's really, really good.
All you do is get on to me about my mistakes and where I've been. I just needed some space so I'll feel free. Hoping you don't understand, 'cause you're not me. Is she really better than me? Why I see you? 'Cause I don't wanna feel that type of pain. Oh, I cannot go through all the things that you do. I don't wanna feel that type of pain. No, you leave let it burn. 'Cause I don't have time to feel this hurt. And I'm so tired of these short terms. Can you keep me in your heart? I wanna be the boy you love. Can you just stay for the night? I need you here by my side.
So frustrated in the moment that we're disagreeing on.